Hi, boys and girls. Today I'd like to talk to you about the theme of a story or a passage. And a theme is the moral, the message, or the lesson taught in a story. There's many things we might find as a theme in a story, such as loyalty, friendship, getting along with others, teamwork, and even good versus evil. Now I'd like to share with you the comparison of theme to a cupcake.
Okay, now we're looking at themes in literature, comparing it with a cream-filled cupcake. Think about the cream filling is the hidden part inside of the cupcake, and the themes are also the hidden part inside of a book. Think to yourself, what does an author hope the reader realizes? Some examples of this are from familiar stories such as Little Red Riding Hood. Appearances can be deceiving sometimes. Remember the wolf and his appearance? The Three Little Pigs, hard work and patience paid off in the end, and that's because they didn't give up. They worked hard to build their homes. Then the Little Red Hen. Laziness can have negative consequences. She was the only one that did the work in the story. These are all themes found in literature, so remember your cream filling of your story, which is the theme.